What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Tepig from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw a large oval for the front eye. We're going to start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now I want to pull the pupil over towards the left side, so we're going to draw a smaller oval. So we're going to start on the edge of the eye, coming down and up, and then back down. Let's go to the top, draw a small oval for a highlight. And I'll fill the bottom of the pupil in black. Let's go to the center of the pupil, go all the way over towards the right. We're going to draw an oval going across horizontally for the nose. Go all the way around and then back up. Now inside, we're going to draw two short lines coming down for the nostrils. Let's work our way across the top of the head. So we're going to start over on the right side of the snout, angle this up and in. Now we're going to draw a circle for the head. We're going to go up, go all the way around, and then come down towards the edge of the head. Let's go back to the eye, step down, draw in the mouth with a straight angled line, coming down toward the front. Go back over toward the left side, draw a half oval, coming down, and just tuck that up underneath, leaving a little overlap on the right side. And then over on the left, draw the edge of the tongue, and it's out and then down. Let's go back underneath the snout, curve the head, coming down, and then in. Let's add that curved detail across the head. We're going to start from the top left, then it's down and in behind the eye. Continue that curve in towards the side of the snout. Now step up, curve around, up toward the top. Just follow the curve of the head coming down, and then bend that out. Now we're going to add those two ears along the top of the head. Let's start from the top of this curve. Start with the curve going up, then out toward the left. Bend this down, and then in towards the head. Let's layer another ear in behind. We're going to straighten this up. So we're going to step over, curve this around, over toward the left. Bend this down and just tuck that in behind. Now let's go back to the bottom of the head. We're going to step over to the left, draw the front leg, bend this out and then down. Curve the edge of the leg coming down towards the heel, and round up the side, going back up towards the body. Let's go back down to this point, round out the bottom of the foot, curve this up and then in. Now going back to the chin, we're going to step over, curve the body, coming down and then out in behind the leg. Let's add another leg in behind. Curve this down and out, round out the edge of the leg, and then bend this up underneath the head. Let's add that same foot from the heel, bend this across, and then up. Now we want to close off the back of the body. Start from the base of the head, we're going to step up, curve the body, going out, come around, and then in. Go back up to the top, draw the edge of the body with a curve. Let's draw on that back leg. Starting up here, just going to round this out. Curve the bottom of the foot, round out the toe, now bend the leg going up underneath the body. Now I'm going to add that tail up in this left area, starting with the circle, from the top, going all the way around. And we're going to add a thick swirl, starting up here, goes around, and then down in behind. Let's trace that along the outside, stepping over, add that same curl, tucking that in. Now I want to continue these two lines, curving that back in towards the body, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's our draw Tepig from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.